This is going to be a rather short video, but it's one I want to make with good reason for people. Over the years, I've had a lot of people assume that I overfeed my snakes, and that's why they're as big as they are, which is the farthest thing from the truth. Now this is Ginger. Come on. Come on. She's just finishing up her shed. She's got a few little pieces left on her. This is a reduced pattern ball python. Now Ginger, hey pretty girl, you're out. Yeah, you got a few little pieces left. We'll take care of that when we go back in. But this is a normal reduced pattern ball python. Ginger is almost 20 years old, and all she eats is one jumbo or one large rat every 3 to 4 weeks. And that's all she has eaten since she was young. You don't have to overfeed your snakes to make them big. What you really need to do if you want healthy snakes is to give them some activities. Feed them a reasonable amount of food. You don't have to overfeed them. Hey, what are you doing? Hi, pretty girl. But don't pack them full of food. If you want big snakes, you want them strong and muscular. You don't want them fat. Snakes that are overfed lay around their enclosures. For one, they're obese. For two, they have no means of entertainment. Nothing to do to entertain themselves. Hey, it's me. No, you're not going to come at my face. She's curious. She hasn't been out for a while. But this is you still got some shed left on you. It's sprinkling. We're going to get wet, Jen. But I just wanted to show you. And it's starting to rain. What timing? You want to get in the rain? I don't mind if I get wet. It's humid today. Want to get wet? Want to get wet? She knew it was going to rain. That's why she was staring at me. But just a short video to tell you, you really don't have to overfeed your snakes to have big snakes. All you have to do is let them have some activities. Of course, they're going to lay around their enclosure with a full belly. There's nothing else for them to do. And you assume that they're content because they do that. That's the only option they have, is to lay around. This water will help get the rest of those little pieces of shed off. Yes. But feels pretty good, doesn't it? We're going to get wet, and I'm going to get sodden here, but that's okay. But seriously, you don't have to overfeed your snakes to have big snakes. All you have to do is let them have some exercise and activities. Hey, the rain's helping get the rest of those little pieces of shed off. We're going to get soaked. Let's go in. I just got outside with Ginger and was going to film out there, and it started raining, so I had to bring her back in here and put her back in her enclosure anyway, so I figured I'd finish up the videos here. But what I was trying to show people is, Ginger, hey! She is a reduced pattern, normal, and all she eats is a jumbo or large rat every 3 weeks. That's all she's been eating since she was about 3 years old. This is my goal in life really, is to have a breeding project going with reduced pattern ball pythons. They're reduced pattern because some of their relatives came from the wild, and thus the different colors and the patterns on them. They're beautiful snakes. But I've been looking around asking people if anybody's got any reduced pattern males, because I'd really love to breed her and let her have at least one clutch before she dies. She's 19 years old now. What are you hiding for? We got wet out there, didn't we? We got wet. Yeah, we did. I'm sorry. Got pretty good though, huh? But yeah, this is Ginger, my girl. So what am I doing? So I want to be near you. I don't want to climb on you. Hey. But you don't have to overfeed your snakes to have big snakes. Overfeeding them will not make them healthy. It's bad for the heart, It's bad for their entire system, really. What you want is strong, muscular, healthy snakes, not fat, lazy, obese snakes. So many people think, oh man, I'll pound in rabbits, I'll pound in pigs, I'll make them huge. And they'll be happy. They're not happy. They're not content. They got a full belly. They're going to lay around naturally because that's all they can do, because you don't let them out to do anything else. So that's why you think they're content, because they're laying around with a full belly. That's because that's how you restrict them. You won't let them do anything else with their time and their lives. You really need to start working with your snakes. They're supposed to live like a snake. They didn't stop being a snake because you keep them in enclosures or in captivity. They're still a snake. They should still be respected as such. They didn't change what they are because you have them in a captive environment. Nothing about them has changed at all. They're still nervous. They're still defensive. They're still uncomfortable about being stalked by predators outdoors when you take them outdoors. Nothing has changed about them. They are still a snake. They're always going to be a snake, no matter what you keep them in and where you keep them at. That's something people just don't seem to get. A snake in a captive environment is no different than a snake out in the wild, except out in the wild they have to fend for their lives and they have to fight for food. That's the only difference. Stop treating them like they're another whole species of animal. They're still a snake. A snake that's always going to be a snake and nothing but a snake. So let them have some freedom. You don't see them sitting in one spot all the time out in the wild.